Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you how Meta's ad engine is powering its ambitious AI future. Meta just delivered one of the strongest quarters in tech this earnings cycle, and Wall Street rewarded it with an 11% after-hours surge, adding 150 billion in market value. At the core of this momentum is a simple truth. Meta's advertising business is not just healthy, it's funding the company's most audacious AI ambitions. Let's take a look at the quarter two highlights. The revenue was at 47.5 billion, net income at 18 billion, daily active users plus 6% year on year across the app ecosystem. And the Q3 guidance is a 17 to 24% year on year revenue growth. These numbers confirm that AI is already making a tangible impact on Meta's ad business, improving recommendation algorithms and increasing user engagement. Time spent rose 5% on Facebook and 6% on Instagram. But the real story lies in Zuckerberg's pivot from metaverse to superintelligence. Over the past year, Meta has invested 14 billion for a 49% stake in Scale AI, hired CEO Alexander Van to lead its secretive superintelligence lab, offered hundreds of millions of dollars and 1 billion in one case to lure AI researchers from OpenAI, Google, and Apple, and initiated large-scale data center builds and new energy infrastructure with plans to co-develop facilities via 29 billion in equity and debt from financial partners. However, the costs are enormous. Meta maintained the 66 to 72 billion capex guidance for 2025, reassuring investors after months of escalating spend. But it also signaled higher expenses for 2026, with some analysts estimating that Meta could spend approximately 100 billion next year on AI-related infrastructure and talent. Notably, the CFO also confirmed that there is going to be no meaningful revenue from generative AI until 2027, underscoring the long game that Meta and Zuckerberg are playing here. The vision: a personal superintelligence that powers creativity, connection, and productivity, accessed via the Meta smart glasses. But the product delays, such as the unreleased Behemoth model and ongoing internal churn in the AI unit, do signal execution risk. In conclusion, we can say that Meta is positioning itself not just as a leader in AI, but the company is willing to spend whatever it takes to get there. The difference this time? A thriving ad-funded engine that is underwriting this ambition. The question is no longer whether Meta can afford to chase superintelligence, it is whether it can make it pay off before the costs outweigh conviction. That's all that we have for you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more.